Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to find the value of k in an algebraic expression if the expression is a complete square. So our first question in this case is (4x4) minus 12x cube plus 37x squared minus 42x plus k. We are going to apply division method over here. So for that one, we'll check the first term. First term is a complete square, which is this one. This is a complete square. So we have to write the square root of this one over here, which is 2x square, and multiply with the same that we will write in the quotient. So when we multiply 2x square with 2x square, we will get 4x square plus, and when we subtract it, it will cancel with each other. Then we will bring down the next two terms, which is minus 12x cube plus 37x square. Now on the left side, what we have to do, we have to multiply this term with 2 and write it down over here. So when we multiply 2x square with 2, it comes out to be 4x squared. So we multiplied the quotient with 2 and we have written here 4x squared. Now we have to multiply 4x squared with a term which will give us near or equal to minus 12x cube. So in this case, we can see that if we multiply it with minus 3x, which we will write here minus 3x, so it will be equal to minus 12x cube. And same minus 3x we will write here also. And now with this minus 3x, we will multiply these two terms. First we multiply minus 3x with 4x square. It will come out 12x cube, and when we multiply minus 3x with minus 3x, it will be 9x squared. Again we will subtract these, so sign will be reversed. 12x squared minus cancel with 12x squared plus 37 minus 9 will be 28x squared. Now again we have to apply the same procedure. This is the quotient. We will multiply it with 2 and we will write it over here. So when we multiply it with 2, 2x squared into 2 is 4x squared, and minus 3x into 2 is minus 6x. Again we have to write in the quotient a term this term. When we multiply with this 4x square, we should be getting equal to 28x square or near to some term which is near to 28x square. So we see that if we multiply it with plus 7, and as we have been doing it in the previous step, the term with which we have applied, we add that term over here as well. And we have not yet taken down this one, the last two terms. We have to write it down here. Now we will multiply all these three terms with this 7. So 7 multiplied by 4x squared is equal to 28x squared. 7 into minus 6x is minus 42x, and 7 into 7 is 49. Again we will subtract, sign will reverse. This cancel, and we are left with k minus 49. If the given expression is a complete square, if the given expression is a complete square, then k minus 49 should be equal to 0, which means k is equal to 49. Therefore, the given expression will be a complete square if k is equal to 49, which is our answer. Now we move on to our second question. The second one is x raised to power 4. This term is a complete square, so minus 4x cube plus 10x squared minus kx plus 9. Again we will attempt this question with the help of the division. We will try to find out the square root with the help of division method. So x raised to power 4 is a complete square of x raised to power 2. So here we will write x raised to power 2 and multiply it with x raised to power 2. So our answer will be x raised to power 4. So when we subtract it, the sign will reverse and x4 will cancel with x4. Same like the previous question. This term we will multiply by 2 and bring it here. So it will become 2x squared. We will bring down the next two terms here. Now we have to multiply 2x squared with a term which will give us minus 4x cube or some term which is near to this. So we see that if we multiply it with minus 2x, it will give us minus 4x cube. So whatever we will write here, we will write that term over here as well. So now we will multiply minus 2x with this term and this term. So minus 2x into minus 2x squared is minus 4x cubed, and minus 2x into minus 2x is plus 4x squared. Now we subtract these, sign will reverse. This cancels with minus 4x cube will cancel with plus 4x cube. 10 minus 4 will be 6x squared. Now we will bring down the next two terms. Now we will repeat the same process. Again we will multiply it with 2 and we will write it over here. So 2 into x squared is 2x squared and 2 into minus 2x is minus 4x. Now we have to write a term over here with which when we multiply 2x squared gives us 6x squared, or a term which is near to this. So we see that if we multiply it with plus 3, so if we multiply 2x squared with plus 3, it gives us 6x squared. So whatever we write in the quotient we have to write over here as well. So now this 3 we will multiply with 2x squared, 4x, minus 4x and plus 3. So 3 into 2x squared is 6x squared. Then 3 into minus 4x is minus 12x. And 3 into 3 is 9. And when we subtract, all the sign will reverse. This will cancel, this will cancel. And we will have minus kx plus 12x if the given expression is a complete square, then minus kx plus 12x should be equal to 0. Here we see that we have minus x common. So we will be left with k minus 12 is equal to 0. When we multiply both sides with minus 1, we will have x into k minus 12 is equal to 0. In this case, either x is equal to 0 or k minus 12 is equal to 0. So k comes out to be 12. Therefore, the value of k should be 12 if the given expression is a complete square. So this is our answer. That's all for now. Please subscribe this channel, and until the next time, take care and bye bye.